Hello beautiful family, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today on this menu we are making some peanut soup or some groundnut soup, which is very delicious and very easy to prepare as well. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video you'll be the first person to be notified. Let's get started. Okay, for this peanut soup I will need some fresh chicken and some beef as well. Everything is nicely washed, so I'll add some chicken seasoning to it, some beef seasoning powder as well, a salt to taste, and the salt you might think is too much, but it's not too much because the saltiest part of this soup should be the base. Yes, so to that I'll add some garlic and some ginger paste as well. Add some tomato paste, a water to it. I almost forgot my chopped onions, so I added in chopped onions and a little bit of water to steam this very well. Yeah, so we're going to steam this for about 15 to 20 minutes to steam very well. Okay, so in this groundnut soup recipe I will need some garden eggs, some turkey berries, pepper. To that I'll add some fresh tomatoes and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So to that I have some groundnut paste as well, which is the most important ingredients in this soup recipe. Okay, so into my blender I'm going to add in some chopped onions, add in my peanut butter, add some water to it, and we're going to blend until it becomes very smooth. So I added in some chopped onions because I want my peanut soup to taste really good. Yes, we don't want to waste our energy at all. So let's blend this until it's very smooth. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes of steaming our chicken and our beef, and just look at how it is cooking right now. At this point I'll give it a quick stir, leave this to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes to cook very well. I need to stir this because the tomato paste wasn't getting into our sauce very well, so I need to stir this very well. Alright, so I'll be cooking my blended peanut butter, which I'm going to add some tomato paste to give this peanut a very beautiful color. I'm going to stir this and cook very well until this thickens up very well, or you begin to see oil settling on top of this. That means your peanut is ready and nicely done. So we're going to stir this and set it aside. And we are back to check on our meat for the second time, and just look at how juicy this look. At this point it is ready, so I'm going to add in my blended ingredients, and that's my pepper, my garden eggs, turkey berries, and some tomatoes, which I've already cooked very well. So I'm going to blend and add this to the soup base to cook for additional 20 minutes. Yes, so I'm not going to add any water to it apart from this. Give this a quick stir and cook it until it is nice and ready. And don't forget as well that we have this peanut butter on fire already. One more thing, don't leave this peanut on fire without stirring it. So we're going to stir until it thickens up like this, and you see bubbles forming on top of this beautifully. That means it is almost ready, so I'll cover this for extra 5 minutes and just see how the oil has formed on top of our peanut beautifully. That means our peanut is ready. Yes, so this takes a lot of time. I'll be cooking this for about 35 minutes, and just look at how beautiful it came out. Just take your time and stir this on low flame. You're going to get the perfect results as this one. So we're going to set this aside and add it to our soup. And because we've been cooking this for about 35 minutes now, when we add this to the soup, you don't need to cook this for that long time, for about 15 minutes or 1 hour again, because when you don't cook peanut butter soup very well, trust me, you're not going to like what is going to happen to your stomach, and you're going to regret taking this soup. Yes, so we're going to cook this soup on low flame until you begin to see oil settling on top again beautifully. That means your groundnut soup is ready and nicely done. Okay, so at this point, I realized my peanut is a little bit thick, so I'm going to rinse my pot and add it to the soup here. We are not wasting anything at all. I tasted for salt, and it was okay because I added in enough salt when cooking the base of this soup here. So you can see I have a little bit of oil on top of the soup. And you might think at this point your groundnut soup is ready because you already have some oil on top of the soup already, but yeah, it's not ready. After it's ready, you can see the oil has come together beautifully, and that is what we want. And just look at how the oil has settled on top, and that has come together perfectly as we want. I was cooking this on low flame for about 20 minutes, and our peanut butter is ready. Just look at that. This looks so yummy and very, very appetizing as well. So what do you like your peanut butter with? Is it with some kokonte, banku, rice ball? But me, I'm a fufu gang. So today, I'll be enjoying this soup with my fufu as usual. You guys will come after me. And because I'll be posting fufu. But yeah, this is what I have. And I'm going to enjoy my peanut soup with my fufu. You all are invited into my house. Thank you all so much for watching this video to this point. And if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Yeah, so if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, please do well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And please subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.